one is two things here you need to remember. You need to focus. Restore. Repair is restore. Okay. Second, by reinforcing or splice. Okay. Third, same material. And the thickness, 1 gauge. So these three principles you need to understand. First, understanding what you do is restoration. And during the design must be in the form of restoration or splicing. I mean, reinforcing or splicing. And then the material should be the same. And then the material thickness is 1 gauge higher. So this is the basic understanding that you need to have in doing this extra structure repair.